Good evening, everybody. Today I'm going to share with you the benefits of hard work. So just look at the photo, look at the ends and the eyes, the person around here. So he's working so hard. In my opinion, there are benefits when you work hard. So the first benefit is that. So when you work hard, you can get a lot of experience in your life. For example, you can try something new, you can see different cultures, and after that, when you do something for the first time, you feel that it is very complicated. But when you tried it hard and you can get it, and then or even you can fail. So there's a saying that people learn from the failure. So after you fail something, you can change your attitude, you can change your mind, and you become better for the next time when you do it again. The second thing is you can have a lot of knowledge when you work hard. For example, like you will meet with a lot of people, you will work with the professional people, and from that you can change your attitude from negative to positive. You can, all right. Mr. Sang, can you give me an example of getting experience when you work hard? And Mr. Young, so what do you think about the idea is that when you work hard, you will have a lot of motivation in your life. So what do you think, Mr. Young? Moreover, so when we work hard, we can open up the opportunity to lead to the future. I mean that you have a better life, better future, better career, better potential things in your life. As an illustration of this is that you work hard, so you will build up your relationship of society. You will see around you that there are people who always beside you to share with you the things because they think that you work hard. So yeah, that's it about things like that. Mr. Young, do you think that does it take a lot of effort when you work hard? I mean, when you work hard, so are there any problems? I think there's some problems, okay? Because actually, like when you work hard, we have to spend a lot of time. We have to sometimes because of working hard, people lose a lot of things, like the family members, the love between a girl and a boy, whatever. Okay, so that's it. So the problems of working hard. In addition to that, when we work hard, we can explore the competence, the ability from yourself. For example, sometimes we don't know what is inside you, or sometimes that is so complicated to explore yourself. Or we can see things around the world, we can explore the culture, the nature, things like that, but we cannot explore ourselves because sometimes we don't work hard. Okay, Mr. Sang, what do you think of it? So do you agree with that? And if yes, can you give me an example of yours in your life that can explore your competence? Okay, so yeah, I just have some ideas for you, or we think about 3 minutes or 4 minutes, and I think I've just given both of you two questions. Two questions for each. So I hope that you will answer the questions by using the video, recording the video or whatever to show me that you finished your homework. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna have something to eat now, and I'll see you on Thursday for a party. Okay, I'll see you later. Goodbye.